Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a Chase business account. First of all you have to do is type Chase business account or Chase business bank account on Google search, and you will see this search result on the top. You have to click on get Chase business complete checking. Click on it. From here, this page will open. It will show you that get a $300 bonus for your new account. Click on open now. So a new page will open. From here, you have to enter your email address. You have two options. You can open account online or open account in branch. So we are going to open account online today. So I will type in my email address here. Once you have typed in your email, you have to click on open account online. Now let's open your Chase business complete checking account. So it will ask you some questions. Are you an existing Chase customer or do you have a saved application? I will click on no. You can click on yes if you have. Get started. From here, you have to click on this drop down menu, legal business structure, corporation or any other. S corporation or C corporation, you have to choose any one of them. Is your business on non-profit? No. Is your business owned by another business? No. Are you authorized representative, president, secretary, acting secretary? Okay, I will click on yes. Okay, I will choose an assistant secretary. You can choose any of them. I'm just showing you as an example. Okay, choose all that apply to you. Owner and individual, at least with 10% business ownership. I will click on 5. Senior manager, or you can just leave it. I will click on next. So you have to enter your first name, your middle name, it is optional, last name, suffix, or are you a US citizen? Yes or no. Your date of birth, your social security number. Choose the country of citizenship. You can click on the drop down menu and choose your country of citizenship. They need to ask you a few more questions to know what tax forms you might have to fill out to open this account. So I will click on yes or no. From here, you have to enter your date of birth, your social security number. You have to choose your ID, driver's license or state ID, your ID number, your home address, your zip code, city, state, your email address, your contact information. Check this box and click on next. Once you have given all of the correct information, then Chase will open a business account for you, and that's how you can open a Chase business account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.